If you are a new learner or you started Jenkins very recently, then it's very common you try to access like this type of URL, localhost 8080. Okay, and if you try to go there, you'll see this type of big fat error. The site cannot be reached, and there is two button, reload details, and you cannot access. Okay, let's see why it is happening and how to fix it. It's very simple fix, and everybody already is aware of that how to run this Jenkins, but everybody at the beginning they forgot. So what you need to do, just open terminal. We didn't started our Jenkins run. I mean, there is a command, right? It's not running, that's why the error is coming. Now let's try to fix it. So now when I try to fix, this is the like command we used to run through the terminal, like java dash jar jenkins, the port number, and if you are using the latest version of Java, then you have to add this command, right? Now if we try to run it again, it is showing unable to access jar file and you cannot access. So what is the main reason? So if you read carefully, like unable to access jar file, that means we are unable to access this folder or file, whatever you can say. So we are unable to access this thing. That means we didn't define the path. If you go to the folder, like for my case, it's inside downloads, there is Jenkins folder. Inside Jenkins, there is jenkins.war file. And if we right click and if we check the get info, we'll see where is the location. It is under user fs downloads Jenkins. Okay, now open terminal and just type pwd, which means present working directory. Here it is showing I am inside this folder users fs, but I am not the actual Jenkins folder, right? So what we need to do, we need to change our directory by typing the command cd, then downloads, then we have to type jenkins. Okay, now if we try to list, we'll see Jenkins is there. Okay, now if we try to run that command, which is called java jar jenkins or then the port number and this thing, this is for like little Java version, and then hit return key, and very shortly you will see that it is started. So here it is showing everything is working fine. Jenkins is fully up and running. Here it is mentioning. Now let's jump to browser and reload the page, and here you will see the Jenkins page is coming. Now we just need to type the username password. For my case, when I set up, I put the username as FewSteps and password we put abc123, and then we have to press the sign in button, and very shortly it will be like that. And there is the common problem so far. I saw most of the time like users face that issue, and this is the correct way to fix it. So hopefully by watching this video you will never forget how to fix this type of issue.